Namaste. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to attach a Sewfect extension table to your sewing machine. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Usha Allure Deluxe Model Sewing Machine along with the correct table that fits this machine. Every Sewfect extension table model is made specifically for the sewing machine brand and model. So, let's get started. In your Sewfect extension table package, you'll find the extension table and the height adjustable legs. Remove the extension box that is already attached to your sewing machine. Next, take one of the height adjustable legs and rotate the bottom part to increase its height. Make sure the leg is positioned approximately 1/4 inch below the sewing area. Once you have set the height of one leg, make sure to match all the other legs to the same height. Now, place the table upside down on a flat surface. Then, take each leg and fit it onto the caps provided as shown. To securely fix the height adjusted legs in place, gently push each leg into the cap, applying a gentle but firm pressure until they are fixed together. Align the table with your sewing machine, and if you notice any difference in height, adjust the legs by rotating the bottom part until the table matches the height of the sewing area. In this video, we are using the regular size table for demonstration. The steps are the same for the large size and extra large size extension tables. The important part is to match the cut of the extension table with the sewing area on your sewing machine. If you have ordered the right extension table for your sewing machine model, you can be sure that it will fit perfectly. For any support, please feel free to reach out to us via phone or WhatsApp using the number provided on the screen. We will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.